Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's video is a detailed tutorial on creating beautiful crochet flower for decoration. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of crafting stunning floral design that can enhance your home decor, gift or personal accessory. We will start it from flower part. Firstly, make a magic ring, then make one chain. Make a round on your first finger and pull the yarn through this round and make one chain. This is magic ring and one chain. Then we will make two more chains. Here we have 3 chains. After this we will make one double crochet at this magic ring. These 3 chains count as first double crochet. Now we have 2 double crochet into this magic ring. Then make one chain and then we will make 2 chain half double crochet into this magic ring. Yarn over one side crochet needle and pull the yarn through this magic ring. Then pull the yarn through first 2 loops. We will not complete this half double crochet. We will only pull the loop through first 2 loops. Then we will join our loops together. So this is first set of 2 chain half double crochet. Then make one chain. Then we will again make set of 2 chain half double crochet. Yarn over one side crochet needle and pull the yarn through magic ring. Then pull the yarn through first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull the yarn through ring. Then pull the yarn to first 2 loops. Here we have 3 loops. Join our loops together. This is set of 2 chain half double crochet. We will make 5 set of these 2 chain half double crochet. After completing 5 set of half double crochet, now we have 6 set including first double crochet set. After this, tighten the middle thread and now we will attach at the third chain of starting 3 chains with slip stitch. Then cut off yarn and secure it. So this is our sepal part. Now we will start to make petals. For this we will attach the yarn at this one chain space. After attaching, make 2 chains. Then we will pull the loops from this space. Firstly yarn over and pull the loop through space and pull this loop long. Again yarn over and pull the loop through space and pull this loop long. Repeat this pattern. We will pull 7 loops from this space, then join together and make one chain. After joining 7 loops together, then make one chain. This is our first 7 loops puff stitch. We will repeat this pattern and make 7 loops puff stitch at all spaces. Yarn over and pull the loop from second space. We will bind the back sided extra loops within our work. like this. Yarn over and pull the loop from second space and pull this loop long. Again yarn over. We will repeat 7 times. We will pull 7 loops from this space, then join all loops together and make one chain. After joining all loops together, then make one chain. This is our 7 loop puff stitch. Now we will make 4 puff stitches at next 4 spaces. After completing 6 puff stitches round, now we will attach at the top of first puff stitch with slip stitch. Now we will working on this middle gap. We will not working at the top of puff stitches, we will working at these middle gaps. So jump to first middle gap. Firstly make one single crochet. This is our first single crochet. Then we will make one half double crochet. Then make one chain and then make one half double crochet and make one single crochet at this same gap. We have made the set of one single crochet, one half double crochet, one chain, one half double crochet and one single crochet. We will repeat this pattern at next 5 middle spaces. So at the end of this round we should have 6 patterns. After completing 6 patterns of this round, now close this round to pull this extra thread at the starting first single crochet to inner side. Here our flower pattern is completed. Now we will start to making leaves. For this flower we will make 2 leaves. We will use this copper wire 0.2 mm 18 cm long to give stiffness to these leaves. For making leaves we will firstly make 7 chains with green color yarn. After making slip knot, we will make 7 chain stitches. After making 7 chains, now we will skip this first chain and attach this wire and make one single crochet at second stitch. We will adjust this wire in stitches. So this is our first single crochet stitch at second chain. We have skipped first chain. After single crochet, now we will make 1 half double crochet at next chain. Then we will make 2 double crochet at next 2 chains. This is our first double crochet and this is our second double crochet at next chain. After 2 double crochet, then we will make 1 half double crochet at next chain and 1 single crochet at last chain. After completing stitches at one side, now we will make a picot at top of this leaf. For this we will firstly make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Then we will make 1 slip stitch at first chain. So this is our picot. It will make a pointed tip of leaf. Now we will start to make the other side of leaf. We will start from this first stitch. At this first stitch we will firstly make 1 single crochet. We will repeat the same pattern stitches of one side to the other side. So this is our first single crochet at first space. Now we will make 1 half double crochet at next space. Then we will make 2 double crochet at next 2 stitches. This is our first double crochet and this is our second double crochet at next space. After making 2 double crochet at 2 spaces, now we will make 1 half double crochet at next space and 1 single crochet at next space. After completing last single crochet at last space, here our leaf pattern is completed. Now attach at the starting stitch of first side with slip stitch. Then pull the yarn and cut off extra yarn and skewer it. So here we have complete flower and leaves part. Now it's time to assemble them. To assemble these flowers and leaves, we will use bamboo sticks. You can use thick wire instead of these bamboo sticks. So firstly we will tighten this middle thread at the base of the sepals part. Then we will insert this bamboo stick inside this hole and attach a bead at the top of this stick. With the help of glue, and also make rounds of this extra thread at the base of this bead to fix this thread. After fixing beads at the inner side of this flower, now we will start to make rounds of green color yarn at the bottom of this flower on this bamboo stick with the help of glue. From the flower below 3 cm, we will attach leaves on both sides and also fix them in these rounds. Then we will complete rounds at the end of bamboo stick and also attach with the help of glue at the end point of this bamboo stick. So here our flower is completed. It's look too beautiful. You can make these flowers in different colors. I have made in two colors, white and pink color. Now we will introduce these flowers to flame to burn these blurry edges to make finishing look. Be careful to introduce these to the flame. If you kept to the flame so closely, it will burn. So introducing to flame gives our flower finishing look. Our flowers look very neat. So our project has been completed. Viewers, I have tried to explain each and every step about this tutorial. But after watching this, if you have any question about this, you can ask in comment section. I will answer it. And also like, subscribe and share our videos to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.